Have you ever seen a bird dive underwater? Do you know why it does this? This bird dives underwater to hunt for food. Underwater, it searches for fish, crabs, and other small sea creatures. This ability to dive and hunt helps the bird survive in its natural habitat. Nature has gifted this bird with extraordinary skills, allowing it to thrive in both air and water. Witnessing such a display is a reminder of the wonders of the natural world. Want to learn more about the amazing ways animals survive? Stay tuned for more nature wonders.